What if I told you that one of the strongest predictors of our well-being is not just how healthy we eat or how much we exercise, but knowing there's someone to share life's journey with? Because whether we are celebrating our happiest moments or navigating life's challenges, we are stronger when we don't have to walk the journey alone. Behind me is the Padang, one of Singapore's most historic open spaces. For generations, it has brought people together to celebrate, support one another, and stand united. It reminds us that well-being is not something we build alone. Just as communities grow stronger through unity, our well-being grows through trust, encouragement, and the people who walk beside us. I am Ranjani, a certified yoga therapist from Aathmik Yoga. Before we begin moving, let's begin by simply being present. Sit comfortably back to back. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Notice the quiet support behind you. Sometimes the most meaningful connection isn't created through conversation. It's created through presence. Let's take 5 slow breaths together. Gently deepen your next breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Now let's gently mobilize the spine together. Sitting comfortably back to back, one partner gently lifts the chest and looks slightly upward, creating a gentle arch through the spine. At the same time, the other partner slowly rounds the back, bringing the chin softly towards the chest. As you breathe, slowly exchange the movement. The partner who was arching the spine now rounds the back while the other gently opens the chest. Continue moving slowly, allowing one movement to complement the other. Healthy relationships aren't about doing the same thing all the time. They are about learning when to lead, when to support, and how to move through life together. Take one final slow round and gently return to a comfortable neutral position. Remaining seated back to back, as you inhale, lengthen your spine. Place one hand gently on your partner's opposite knee and the other hand on your own opposite knee. As you exhale, slowly rotate into a comfortable twist. Keep your shoulders relaxed and continue breathing naturally. Hold for 2 slow breaths, then gently return to the center and repeat on the other side. Every relationship brings together 2 unique perspectives. Taking time to understand each other with patience and kindness helps us grow stronger together. Sit facing your partner with your knees comfortably bent. Hold each other's hands and bring the soles of your feet together. Take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, gently lift one foot and then the other. If comfortable, gradually straighten your legs while still keeping your spine tall. Breathe steadily and support one another without pulling or pushing. Just like this pose, relationships thrive when both people contribute with patience, trust, and mutual support. Balance isn't created by one person alone, it's something we build together. Take one more slow breath and gently lower your feet back to the mat. Stand comfortably beside your partner. Wrap one arm gently around each other's waist for support. Bring your outside foot to the inner calf or thigh according to your comfort level. Avoid the knee. Join your free palms overhead. Find a steady point to focus on and breathe naturally. Like a tree, we grow stronger when we are well rooted. And just as communities flourish through connection, we too become more resilient when we encourage and uplift one another. Take one more slow breath and gently release and repeat on the opposite side. Stand facing your partner and gently rest your hands on each other's shoulders. Shift your weight onto one foot as you slowly lean forward. Extend the opposite leg behind you until your body forms a long line. Keep your gaze steady and breathe naturally. It's often easier to step outside our comfort zone when we know someone is there beside us. Stand next to your partner and hold one hand comfortably. Step your feet wide apart, turn one foot out and gently bend the front knee into a comfortable side lunge. As you inhale, reach your free arms overhead and create a heart shape together. Breathe deeply and enjoy the gentle stretch along the side of your body. We become so busy with life that we forget to tell the people we love how much they mean to us. Perhaps today is a beautiful reminder to pause and let someone know they are appreciated. Why not share this video and invite them to practice this partner yoga sequence with you? Sometimes the greatest gift we can offer isn't something we buy. It's simply spending time together. Stand back to back with your feet hip-width apart. Hold your hands and take a deep breath in to lengthen your spine. As you exhale, slowly fold forward, allowing your head and neck to relax. Go only as far as your body feels comfortable. Even when we each have our own path to walk, it helps to know someone is beside us. We don't always need to carry each other's burdens. Sometimes simply being present is enough. Take one slow breath and gently rise together. Stand back to back and hold each other's hands comfortably. One partner gently folds forward while the other leans back across their partner's upper back, opening through the chest. Move slowly and only as far as feels comfortable. Keep your breath smooth and steady. Healthy relationships aren't about one person carrying the other. They are about taking turns to support, to trust, and to lift each other when needed. As you breathe here, notice what it feels like to both give support and receive it. Slowly return to standing and prepare for our final moment of stillness together. Now sit comfortably facing your partner. Place one hand gently over your own lap and the other over your partner's heart. If it feels comfortable, softly close your eyes or simply rest your gaze on your partner. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Feel the gentle rise and fall of each breath beneath your hand. In our busy lives, we often spend time with the people we love without truly being present with them. Sometimes, a few moments of quiet connection can say more than words ever could. Every meaningful relationship begins with a simple choice: to be present, to listen, and to make time for one another. As Singapore continues to grow together, may we also continue nurturing the relationships that strengthen our families, friendship, and communities. If today's practice made you think of someone special, share this video with them and invite them to practice it with you. It might just become a beautiful moment you'll both remember. If you'd like to continue your wellness journey, I have linked my gratitude practice on your screen. It's a beautiful next step to help us appreciate the people and moments that truly matter. If you have enjoyed this practice, I would like to have you join our community and subscribe to Aathmik Yoga for more such therapeutic yoga videos. Thank you for staying till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam. Have yoga related question? You can join my WhatsApp group with over 500 members for support or follow my channel if you prefer privacy. Links are in the description.